Stop scrolling. I want you to be honest with yourself. Are you really stuck? Or are you just waiting? Waiting to feel confident. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for motivation. You don't realize it, but this one silent habit is slowly stealing your life. And today, we will break it. Part 1. The invisible habit. The habit is not laziness. The habit is waiting. Waiting feels smart. It feels responsible. It feels safe. You tell yourself, I'm still learning. One more course. But here's the truth. I'll start when I'm ready. But here's the truth. You will never feel ready. Readiness is a lie created by fear. Hence, Part 2. Why your brain loves waiting. Your brain's main job is survival, not success. Change equals danger. Comfort equals safety. So your brain protects you by saying, what if you fail? What if you fail? What if people laugh? What if you waste time? Waiting gives temporary peace, but long-term pain. Comfort today, regret tomorrow. But what if you waste time? Regret tomorrow. Loop. Here's the loop. You wait, nothing changes. You feel frustrated. You consume motivation. You feel good. Then you wait again. This is why people watch motivation for years, but never change their life. Motivation without action is just entertainment. See Part 4, Real Book Examples. Atomic Habits, James Clear. He says, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Waiting is not a system. Action is. The War of Art, Stephen Pressfield. He calls it resistance. Resistance appears when something matters. The stronger the resistance, the more important the work. If you feel fear, you're on the right path. Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill. Most people quit one step before success. Why? Because waiting feels safer than trying. Part 5. Real life examples. Most successful people started without confidence, without money, without clarity. They didn't wait to feel ready first. Confidence is a result, not a requirement. I am confidence is a how waiting destroys potential. Every day you wait, skills decay, confidence weakens, fear grows. Waiting teaches your brain doing nothing is normal, and soon starting feels impossible. Part 7. How to break this habit. Rule 1. Act before confidence. Confidence comes after action, not before. Rule 2. Lower the standard. Don't aim for perfect, aim for done. Rule 3. Micro action rule. Start so small that fear feels stupid. One step, one post, 1 minute. Momentum beats motivation. Part 8. Identity shift. Stop asking, how do I feel? Start asking, what would the person I want to become do today? Your identity changes through action. Act like the person first. Feeling will follow. Your future is watching you. Every time you wait, you teach it to wait. The habit keeping you stuck is not failure, it's hesitation. Break it today. Now.